Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready. The right to information is not solely premised on improving the quality of democratic decision making but also finds its roots in other bases of freedom of expression, including the self fulfillment of the individual, the introduction of competing views into the marketplace of ideas, and the autonomy and dignity of the individual. Stop limiting the term public interest to information that allows individuals to make better public choices with respect to public officials fails to take into consideration the powerful benefits that the dissemination of information held by public authorities may have on the development of discourse, private decision making, and the nourishment of the individual. Stop para. We have already observed that the accountability of the judiciary to the citizenry is inherent in the office of the judge. Stop. The administration of justice in our country is a vast, crucial, and expensive endeavor that impacts millions of citizens on a daily basis. Stop. The contention that merely because a judge cannot be elected out of office, the conduct of judges and their general administration is not a matter of great public interest cannot be countenanced. Stop. The disclosure of information about the conduct of judges and their administration is necessary to ensure that the broader societal goals in the administration of justice are achieved. Stop. The disclosure of information can highlight areas where robust mechanisms of oversight and accountability are required. Stop. Lastly, the disclosure of information with respect to the judiciary also facilitates the self fulfillment of the freedom of expression of individuals engaged in reporting, critiquing, and discussing the activities of the court. Stop. The freedom of the press in exercise its role as a public watchdog is also facilitated by the disclosure of information. Stop para. The factors that weigh in favor of disclosure in the public interest are specific to each unique case. Stop. However, over the years, several authorities have given shape to the concept of public interest and provided indicative factors that weigh in favor of the disclosure of information. Stop para. If the content of the right and the enforcement of the statute are to possess a meaningful dimension in their application to the judiciary, as it must, certain steps are necessary. Stop. Foremost among them is that the basis for the selection and appointment of judges to the higher judiciary must be defined and placed in the public realm. Stop. This is not only in terms of the procedure which is followed in making appointments, but also in terms of the substantive norms which are adopted while making judicial appointments. Stop.